link in the description box is going to be my Amazon storefront. And this is in every single one of my videos. So if you ever see this link, basically I now have a storefront with Amazon, which allows me to share with you guys my favorites and kind of curate them into collections and lists. So if you head over to my Amazon storefront and you click on the fall 2020 favorites, that's going to be everything from this video, but I also have them individually linked below in case you just want to find the item and you're set on that one piece. But I highly suggest checking out my storefront because I have tons of different collections of my favorite knobs, hardware, paints, DIY tools, DIY supplies, whatever it might be. It's all curated into my shop page over on Amazon. Okay, so let's just jump right in. I'm gonna grab my first item here. This is actually a set of 3, so you get all 3 of these in one listing. Now, my friend Lewis, who lives with James, he bought a couple of decor pieces for his room, and he actually picked up these from Amazon, and I was like, oh my god, those are such incredible quality. Do you guys see this? Not only the little planter at the bottom, but also the faux plant looks so realistic, and there's 3 different styles, and for the price point, I couldn't beat it. So I had to pick one up for myself because, as many of you guys know, I am decorating multiple places throughout my home, and I figured these would be perfect to place around. I'm a huge fan of the look of concrete. However, I don't like how cool toned some of it could be, so I love how this is like a warm toned concrete vessel. So I just really like these. There's not much more to say about them other than they are faux plants, and you guys always ask me where my faux plants are from. I have one real one right here, Miss Bird of Paradise. She's doing quite well. However, her friends will always be doing well. So let's jump into something nice and cozy because, as many of you guys know, I'm working on my living room makeover right now, so some of these items you're actually going to be able to see throughout that video. This right here is a really pretty and affordable throw blanket. I love how it has this knitted texture on the front of it, kind of like a diamond pattern, but they're like fluffy, and then it also has really pretty tassels on the end. This looks like something you would find at West Elm or CB2 for like 70 bucks, and I just really like it. I'm excited to style it on my sofa. It's a really pretty neutral oatmeal color, not too warm, not too cool, not too yellow, not too gray, all around. Just a really nice blanket, and it has a great weight to it as well. So I highly suggest this if you're in the market for a new throw blanket. Now, these right here are a little bit random. I'm doing this totally out of order, by the way, you guys, but I am working on a really exciting room makeover, which is gonna come out probably sometime in October. And I needed some shelf brackets for a wood plank that I'm kind of converting into a wall shelf, and I found these on Amazon, and I had to share them in this video. I just could not wait until October. Kind of Art Deco, a little bit retro, but also definitely can vibe with boho or even like industrial. I feel like if you were to paint these black, I think this is a great way to definitely add a little bit of statement to your wall shelf. So if it's like maybe above your bed, or it's above like a dresser, or it's above a console, whatever it might be, I think these are really cute to kind of just add a little bit of additional detail to that wall space. This item right here might be my favorite thing in the entire video, and you guys are probably like, what is that? This is a tabletop vacuum. Now, this my roommate actually found. She came across it, she sent me the link through text and was like, I think you need this, and I was like, I think I do. So I ended up ordering it, and you guys, this is amazing. As many of you guys know, I film multiple DIY projects throughout the week, so I'm always creating messes, whether it be on my dining table, my breakfast nook table, or my filming table. So there's always just like little scraps of things here and there, and this right here cleans your table off so nicely. You don't have to get out your vacuum, you don't have to like kind of push it all into your hand. Take this, turn it on, go over the top of your surface, like just like this, and it picks up everything. And all you have to do to empty it is just pull off the top, and you just bring this over to your trash can, kind of dump it in there. You can see all the residue that you were able to pick up off of the table. It's perfect if you have a work from home space, or if you are a DIYer like myself. This is great to just clean up any extra bits and bobs that are left behind on your surface. Next up, I have a couple more decor items. For the same exact bedroom that I'm working on in October that has the little shelf bracket, I also wanted to introduce a bit more gold into the space, so I picked up 2 other elements that I'm gonna share with you guys too. This first one here is a really affordable, like vintage style brass mirror, and this is just so pretty. I'm trying not to share the reflection of everything throughout the space, but this is what it looks like. This is super affordable, and the way that they had styled it actually was as a tray. So I thought this would be perfect as a little tray in the room on top of the dresser to set some lotions, perfumes, whatever it might be right on top here. It is made of like a resin, I believe, so it's pretty heavy duty, I'm not gonna lie, and the mirror's really great quality as well. All around, for the price, you really couldn't beat this. And then of course a little bit more gold. This is is a little bit more of like a vintage gold, but look at that, you guys. I've always wanted one of these little hand figurine decor elements. My friend Nastasia, she has a larger one that's like this, and it was a couple $100s. I remember her telling me it was quite expensive. So I actually went on Amazon to see if I could find a similar one for the space, and I ended up finding this resin option, which was a fraction of the price, but it still does its duty. Like, it's just a really cute little hand symbol. They have multiple different styles with like thumbs up. They have the peace sign one, and I think they have a couple other ones as well. And something else I noticed after I got this into my apartment was that it actually has the option to be hung up and used as a wall hook, which I thought that was so cool as well. So you can easily hang this up on the back here and use it as a wall hook to like either hang some coats or hats on, whatever you want to use it as. And then we have another shelf decor piece. However, I bought this one for myself specifically because, as many of you guys know, I have a little like office nook corner directly in front of me in my bedroom. If you've seen my empty apartment tour, it's like a little cutout in the wall that I'm going to be turning into an office space, but I don't want it to read office space, so I got this little shelf here, which I'm going to be putting in there, and I thought this would just add such a cute little fun element over there. I didn't want it to be anything super serious because it is in my bedroom as well, so I wanted it to be a bit playful. So I ended up picking up this moon-shaped shelf here, and I feel like I've seen these on Urban Outfitters in the past, probably for quite a pricey amount, and I found this one on Amazon, and I just loved the shape of it. I loved how there was two shelves in here, and I also absolutely love the stain color. It is such a pretty kind of rich, dark chocolate brown color, and I'm just excited to hang this up. It's exactly what I wanted, and it will fit perfectly by the window inside of the little office nook. And all around, it's just a really cute play on a shelf. So instead of your traditional wall shelf, think about adding a little shaped option like this moon. Some of you guys might remember in the past when I shared my amber glass bathroom soap dispensers, and I have those in all of my bathrooms. I also have them in my kitchen as well. I really, really love them. I love the look of amber glass, but I also came across these, which are amber glass spray bottles for your cleaners. So instead of having to keep your cleaners in their traditional bottles, you can pour them into these really pretty amber glass bottles, and you get a pack of 4 of these. They also come with labels as well, which I thought was really cute. I just went ahead and wrote glass on the front of this label, but they're little chalkboard labels, so you can change them in and out, and it comes in the pack, which I thought was amazing. And then all around, I just feel like this is a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. It really doesn't serve a humongous purpose. However, you can also mix up your very own cleaners and reuse them in here, which I thought was a great option. And yeah, I mean, I'm just one that loves aesthetic everything, so when I found these bottles, I thought they were a really cute addition to my kitchen. And this is like a bottle you wouldn't even mind leaving out on the countertop for easy access because it just blends in with the rest of your decor. All right, guys, I have some other technological items in here that you are going to need in your life. This first one is called Key Catch, and I came across this on Amazon as well. I was like, what is this? I need this. This is incredible because I am one that misplaces my keys all the time. Even if I have a designated bowl on my desk for my keys, the keys end up not in the bowl. Like, I don't know if you guys are like me, but they're just never in the bowl. So I came across this and I was like, this is such a cool idea. These are magnetic key hangers that actually fit onto the screw of your light socket plate. You get a pack of 3 of these in here, and it also gives you the key ring as well to put on your key set. And all you have to do is just undo the light switch cover, the little screw on the very bottom. You're going to remove that screw and then just screw in the screw that they give you that has the magnet on it. And then next time when you're leaving or you're coming in the door, all you have to do is grab your keys off of that magnet on the light switch and then put them back on, which is literally incredible for me because I'm always needing my keys to either open my door or unlock my door. So there's no reason for me to not just put it on the light switch because I'm also going to need to turn on the light and turn off the light. And this right here is another tech item that I recently found out about, but a lot of people have known about. These are smart plugs. So if you've never heard of smart plugs, I actually have them kind of throughout my house already. This is a brand new pack that I purchased to share with you guys so you can kind of see how it comes. Let me open it up for you. So inside you can see that you have your 4 plugs right here, and really all you have to do is just download the app that correlates with your smart plug, which of course is going to tell you which app to download in the instructions. You're going to set up and sync your smart plug with your application on your phone, and then you're able to turn on and off whatever it might be that's connected to the smart plug with the click of your phone, which I think is so nice. So let's just go ahead and say that on each of your nightstands you had a lamp, and you like to turn those on, but you have to walk around your bed, you have to turn on each of them manually. The great thing is you can simply plug the lamp into one of these and then just plug it into your wall, of course. Use your phone to click it on and it will turn on both lamps at the same time, which I think is so nice. And then you also don't have to get up out of bed to turn the lights off because you can click your phone button and turn them off. Next up, I have a set of 4 coasters here. Now, I get so many questions on where my geode coasters are from. Mine are from Anthropologie.